Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to set up project permissions on Asana. This is your complete 2025 guide. Firstly, open your Asana and go to the project you want to manage. This is the initial step, so you can locate the project whose permissions you want to customize. Next up, click on the Share button located on the top right corner. This opens the project settings, where you'll find all the permission options. Now, let's choose the access level. You have three main options: can edit, can comment, or can view. The reason we do this is to define what team members can do within the project. Can edit allows members to add, complete, and reassign tasks. Can comment allows members to comment but not change tasks, while can view only allows for viewing without interaction. Once you've selected the access level, it's time to invite your team members. Type their email addresses into the invite box. This allows you to directly add members and assign them the access level you just chose. Now that we've done that, click the invite button. This finalizes the process and sends an invitation to the team members with their assigned access level. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana sends an email notification to the members, informing them of their access level to the project. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to set up project permissions on Asana. Remember, setting up permissions correctly helps ensure your team works smoothly and efficiently. So always consider the levels of access they need. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.